In this healing meditation, we will be asking the healing angels of light to help heal and strengthen your back. Hello, my name is Brian McCullen, and within this healing meditation, we will be asking the healing angels of light to assist in helping heal, strengthen and support your back. If you do suffer from back pain, naturally it is recommended to consult your doctor first. If you have severe back pain, it is suggested to practice this meditation daily, or if you get occasional back pain, practice this healing meditation for 3 or 4 days in a row, or whenever you feel you need it. This healing meditation can be performed sitting down or laying down. So when you're ready, sit back, relax and close your eyes. We call upon the healing angels, Archangel Michael and Father Mother God, to connect with you now, to bless and protect you within the holiest divine light. We ask for the healing angels of light to support, heal and strengthen your back. We ask for the healing angels of light to stand within and around your energy field now. We ask for the healing angels of light to perform a scan on your neck, spine and hips. Now, verbally state out loud or whisper to the angels where you feel the pain in your back. You can point out with your finger to the area or describe to the angels where the pain is. We ask for the healing angels of light to lay healing hands of light upon any blockages in your back. We ask for gentle clearance and release of any blockages in your back now. Just be aware of your back and any sensations you may notice. Gently adjust your back and body if needed. We ask for the healing angels of light to infuse liquid healing light into all parts of your spine and back, healing, repairing and strengthening. Visualize in your mind's eye the healing angels infusing liquid healing light in and around the back of your skull. Feel that healing energy gently flow down into your neck and the base of your neck, healing, repairing and balancing all discs and muscles in your neck. We see the healing angels of light pouring healing liquid light into your shoulders and upper back and into your muscles, in and around the upper spine, supporting, healing, repairing your upper back. We ask the healing angels of light to focus upon the midsection of your back, bringing in healing light, seeing and feeling this liquid light infusing into your back, muscles, discs, gently flowing downwards into your lower back. Again, healing, repairing, supporting, and strengthening these areas. The healing angels infuse liquid healing light into your lower back, in and around your left hip, healing, strengthening, and rebalancing. The healing angels focus healing light in and around your right hip, strengthening, healing, and rebalancing. We ask the healing angels of light to fill your entire spine and all related areas with healing energy, from your tailbone all the way up to the base of your skull. Concentrating the healing energy within your back. We ask the healing angels to prepare a healing brace of platinum light specific to heal and strengthen your back. This healing brace can look like a platinum flexible metallic bar or plate. And the healing brace is infused with whatever healing energies your back needs at this point in time. We ask the healing angels of light now to install the platinum healing brace into your back and spine, specific to where your back needs the healing the most. We ask for activation of this platinum healing brace now to continue to support and strengthen your back for the next 24 hours. We ask the healing angels of light to help integrate and absorb all of these healing energies into your body. the healing angels of light to bring through any energies needed to ground your energy field and to balance and stabilize your energy field now. We thank the healing angels and God for your assistance and continued support. And when you're ready, you can gently bring your awareness back now. If you like this technique, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And if you feel that this can be of benefit to someone else with back pain, feel free to share this meditation. Also, please do leave a comment below to let me know if this meditation has helped you. Thank you.